Hello, all. I welcome you to episode number 38 of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak and I represent iFinStrats. Now, Nifty has been consolidating in the last 1 week. I mean, the week which has gone past as of end of today. But the good news is, with this consolidation, I have also seen that it has been closing every day by making a higher low. And today, in fact, it just kind of made kind of a dragonfly doji, uh, which is on the bullish side. And I guess uh, with this tightness in consolidation in last 1 week, Nifty has come to some kind of a resting and stabilized state. The India VIX has fallen to about 12.82 today. It fell by about 5%, which makes sure that now we are out of any kind of fear factor and we are back to the era of 12.8 and 12 on India VIX. So it also means to say that there is a high probability of Nifty making some kind of a good move in the upcoming week or few days. Of course, Monday happens to be holiday for the markets, but I guess in the short week of starting from Tuesday next week, you could see some good movement in Nifty. I don't know whether the movements will be upside or down, but looks to me probability is there that the Nifty might make a good up move now again after this kind of consolidation. And why up move? Because it has been closing every day by making higher lows. So that's for Nifty for now. The stock I have chosen today for all of us to analyze is a stock from pharma industry, pharma sector. The stock name is Natco Pharma. Now, Natco Pharma has been on a strong momentum. That's why I picked up this stock for our analysis today. The stock has closed at about 1210.6 as of close of today, which is 34 points above from the previous day, which is also 2.9% up in this day today. Now, Natco Pharma has already made an all-time high of 1229, so it is trading very close to its all-time high. And its all-time high actually came probably this week or even maybe it could be today. We'll see in the charts. Now, it has a fairly low beta of 0.59, which makes it a less volatile stock. And the market capitalization sits at about 21,680 crores. The stock has broken R3 on the CPR, which is another good news. So the stock is on a good up roll, and let's deep dive into this stocks charts to figure out what is in store for us. Can we keep it in our watch list, or should we be ready to take a position in the stock in the upcoming days? So let's deep dive into Natco Pharma charts. So we are on the monthly chart of Natco Pharma, and I have drawn a resistance zone here. As you can see, this resistance zone is from the previous times of July 2021, where Natco made a high of about 1189, and I think today, in this month, and in fact today, it broke that high and made a new high of 1229. So Natco Pharma is on a good up roll at the moment. That's what I can see. Now, one thing you would notice here on the monthly chart, which is very, very good news for Natco Pharma, is Natco. Oh, let me draw it again for you. Natco has, in a long term, made a W pattern with neckline sitting right at this resistance zone, which is kind of just broken today. The stock is traversing above the white line, which is the 200 EMA. The stock is bullish and it is catching on some good momentum. It has broken the resistance zone. Natco is on an up roll, guys. So if it really makes a little bit of on this W, if it makes a little bit of price action, I think it is going to zoom past into the uncharted territories, and also is going to make new lifetime highs in the days, weeks, and months to come. You'll have to stay patient because this is on a monthly chart, on a higher time frame. When you see such kind of W patterns, with conviction, you can figure this out that this stock is going to make an up roll pretty soon. Now, with this good news, let's break the chart down into weekly and that's what we see in the week. You see it has made from July 2021 till today a beautiful rounding pattern, and it has broken the resistance zone clearly after this good rounding pattern, right? If I break this chart down to daily, you would see that the stock has closed above the resistance zone, which means now the change of polarity has kind of happened. And now, if it makes some bit of price action, I think the stock is going to go for a beautiful uproll in the times to come. Let's also figure out what some of the other indicators what we have. They are talking in terms of trend strength and momentum. So, rightly thought, RSI is traversing above 60, showcasing good bullish momentum. The trend strength from the ADX point of view, with this blue line and green line traversing over reference 20 line, very good news. The stock has some bullish trend strength. The relative strength is zooming past the broader index Nifty, which means that the stock is much more stronger in its behavior as compared to Nifty. Uh, and the on balance volume, last but not the least, the on balance volume, it's traversing above 50-day moving average. At the same time, it is showing a cumulative momentum in terms of volatility, with the buying prices going higher and higher. So I think it's all adding up to Natco Pharma trying to give a good uproll in the days to come. Uh, and a little bit of, as I said, price action could just make it zoom past in the next coming days, weeks. I'm sure that a stock in its higher time frame, especially when it forms, kind of a good W pattern, which we can very clearly see here. I want to repeat this. The stock could be on a beautiful up momentum uh, in the times to come. So, guys, keep this stock in your kitty, keep it in your watch list, have it in your radar. I'm very sure this stock is going to give us some good up move in recent times, and let recent future. I'm sorry, and let's see how this analysis plays out in the days and weeks to come. Uh, Having said that, uh, this analysis, what I've done, is for educational purposes. Please do consult your financial advisor and take your positions after doing your own analysis. But at the same time, if you like my analysis, please do comment, share, like, subscribe our channel, share it with your friends, family members. I'm sure they'll all get benefited with these kind of analysis. At least the learning part of it will happen. So do share it with all your families and friends. And I hope to see you next week. Again, it will be a short week. Monday happens to be vacation day for stock markets, but we'll hope to see you on Tuesday for a short week. But we will start our analysis with yet another stock for next week, starting Tuesday. For now, for this week, I'm sure you would have liked my analysis for the past so many stocks. I take your leave. You have a very nice evening, good day, good bye bye, and you all have a very, very fruitful and nice weekend. Bye.